Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare BCAA versus L-Arginine. BCAA are essential amino acids, meaning your body cannot produce them, so you must get them from your diet. L-Arginine, however, is conditionally essential, meaning your body can produce it under normal circumstances. BCAA primarily support muscle protein synthesis and help reduce exercise-induced fatigue. L-Arginine is known for boosting nitric oxide production, which can improve blood flow and nutrient delivery throughout your body. Understanding these fundamental differences is key. Both supplements offer distinct advantages for your health and fitness goals. BCAA are excellent for reducing muscle soreness and promoting faster recovery after intense workouts. Many athletes use them to support muscle growth and improve endurance during prolonged exercise. L-Arginine, on the other hand, can enhance exercise performance by increasing oxygen delivery to your muscles. It also plays a role in supporting cardiovascular health and a robust immune system, making it beneficial beyond just athletic performance. When considering dosage, typical BCAA recommendations range from 5 to 10 grams, often taken before or during your workouts for optimal benefit. For L-Arginine, doses commonly vary from 3 to 6 grams daily, which can be split throughout the day or taken before exercise. It's important to tailor your intake to your individual needs and training intensity. Always remember that consistency is key to seeing the best results from any supplement regimen you choose. You might wonder if combining BCAA and L-Arginine is beneficial. Indeed, taking both can offer comprehensive support for your workouts, targeting both muscle recovery and enhanced blood flow. However, always consult a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen to ensure it's right for you. Both supplements are generally safe when taken within recommended guidelines. Also, for those looking to streamline their healthy eating, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals to help you stay on track.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.